Hi and good afternoon to Madam Sri Rahayu and anyone who sees this video presentation. Thank you for being here. My group will be presenting our AI impact analysis on Shopee, exploring how AI-powered e-commerce transformation has reshaped one of the Southeast Asia's biggest platforms. This is our submission for AIC 2013. Before we dive into the content, let me introduce ourselves, the team behind this project. We are a group of 5, me, Nur Ada Fatiha, Nikki Dina, Fifi Farhana, Ella Inshira, and Lenian. Today, we research, analyze, and put together this report on how Shopee uses AI across its business. Here's a quick look at what we will covering by today. We will start with an introduction and company overview, then walk through the AI application Shopee use, their impact on daily operations and decision making. After that, we will look at the strategic side, Porter's 5 force, followed by the impact on people and jobs, the challenges and ethical issues Shopee faces, our recommendations, and finally wrap up with our conclusion. Artificial intelligence has rapidly become one of the most transformative forces in the global economy, and nowhere is that felt more strongly than in Southeast Asian e-commerce. AI is not a futuristic idea here anymore. It's an operational reality built into the everyday experience of hundreds of millions of consumers. Shopee, a product of C Limited, is the leading e-commerce platform across Southeast Asia and Taiwan. Since launching in 2015, it's grown from a simple marketplace into a super app ecosystem combining online shopping, ShopeePay digital payments, logistics, and live stream commerce, all powered by sophisticated AI backbone underneath. In this report, we go beyond just describing what AI Shopee use. We analyze how these systems impact daily operations, decision making, strategic positioning, and the workforce, and critically, we also look at the real world implications, the ethical challenges, risks, and societal concerns that come with that level of AI integration, along with recommendations for more responsible AI use. So we will be drawing on concepts from topic 6 and 7 of this course: strategic alignment, business process reengineering, Porter's 5 forces, and the ethical, legal, and social implications framework to show that AI at Shopee is not just a technology tool. It's a fundamental strategic and operational driver of their entire business model. Let's take a closer look at Shopee as a company. Shopee was founded in 2015 in Singapore as part of C Limited. It disrupted the Southeast Asian market by going mobile first from day one, unlike all the platforms that were built around desktop shopping. Instead of running one standard app across the region, Shopee launched localized, standalone apps for each market, adapting to local language, payment system like Shopee, and marketing style specific to each country. Today, Shopee operates across 7 markets, which is Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, the Philippines, and Taiwan. Its business model combines a C2C and B2C marketplace with digital payments and logistics, all under one ecosystem. Its key competitors include Lazada, Tokopedia, TikTok Shop, and Amazon. What makes Shopee particularly relevant to our topic is that it operates at what we call it the AI native level, meaning AI is not an add-on feature. It's embedded across all of Shopee's core operations, from product discovery to pricing to fraud detection. And the scale of opportunity here is massive. The Southeast Asian e-commerce market is expected to exceed USD 300 billion by 2025. That scale, combined with diverse language, fragmented payments, and uneven internet access across the region, is exactly why AI is not just helpful for Shopee, it's essential.
The next slide is AI application use. There are 6 core AI systems power the platform. Number 1 is recommendation engine. The recommendation engine uses machine learning to analyze user behavior, such as searches and purchases, and provides personalized product recommendations. This improves the shopping experience and increases sales. Number 2 is NLP and visual search. NLP and visual search allows users to find products using text or images. These technologies understand different languages, correct spelling errors, and identify similar products from uploaded photos, making searches faster and more accurate. Number 3 is dynamic pricing. Dynamic pricing uses AI to analyze demand, customer behavior, and sales trends to adjust product prices automatically. This helps sellers remain competitive and maximize revenue during major sales events. And the fourth one is fraud detection. The fraud detection system monitors transactions in real time to identify suspicious activities, such as fake accounts and fraudulent payments. This helps protect users and reduce financial risk. And the number 5 is Shopee Assistant. Shopee Assistant is an AI-powered chatbot that provides 24 hours customer support. It handles common inquiries such as order tracking and payment issues, while forwarding complex cases to customer service agents. And the last one is Shopee Live AI. Shopee Live AI analyzes live streaming content and audience interactions in real time. It helps sellers improve engagement, recommend products, and increase sales during live broadcasts. The next slide is AI application use. There are 6 core AI systems power the platform. Number 1 is recommendation engine. The recommendation engine uses machine learning to analyze user behavior, such as searches and purchases, and provides personalized product recommendations. This improves the shopping experience and increases sales. Number 2 is NLP and visual search. NLP and visual search allows users to find products using text or images. These technologies understand different languages, correct spelling errors, and identify similar products from uploaded photos, making searches faster and more accurate. Number 3 is dynamic pricing. Dynamic pricing uses AI to analyze demand, customer behavior, and sales trends to adjust product prices automatically. This helps sellers remain competitive and maximize revenue during major sales events. And the fourth one is fraud detection. The fraud detection system monitors transactions in real time to identify suspicious activities, such as fake accounts and fraudulent payments. This helps protect users and reduce financial risk. And the number 5 is Shopee Assistant. Shopee Assistant is an AI-powered chatbot that provides 24 hours customer support. It handles common inquiries such as order tracking and payment issues, while forwarding complex cases to customer service agents. And the last one is Shopee Live AI. Shopee Live AI analyzes live streaming content and audience interactions in real time. It helps sellers improve engagement, recommend products, and increase sales during live broadcasts.
Impact of AI on daily operation. First is inventory and logistic optimization. AI helps Shopee manage inventory and logistics more efficiently by predicting customer demand. This allows sellers to prepare stock in advance, reducing stock shortage, and speeding up delivery processes. In addition, AI helps couriers choose the most efficient delivery routes, which save time and reduce operational costs. Second is seller operations and marketplace management. AI supports sellers by providing products title and description suggestion, competitive pricing recommendations, and sales performance analysis. These features enable sellers to make better business decisions and improve their overall sales performance. Second is customer experience and platform navigation. AI enhance the customer experience by providing personalized products recommendation based on users' interest and purchase history. It also optimizes promotion, flash sales, and gamification features to increase user engagement and satisfaction. Last is content moderation at scale. AI helps Shopee monitor millions of product listings by automatically detecting prohibited items, counterfeit products, and fraudulent activities. This ensures a safer marketplace while reducing the need for extensive manual moderation.
So now I'm going to explain about the impact of AI in Shopee on their decision making. So AI tools has been helped a lot for people who want to make their decision making more easier, and for retailer they can get the strategic information. The product recommendation decision, it's where AI will analyze through browsing and history data search behavior. It's where AI will provide similar product suggestion based on user interest, such as user want to search for clothes, album, and more. User able to make decision experience more quick. For example, search bar with predictive product. So here I also attach where the search bar predictive product is. So with this AI tools, it able to make sure they put the high recommendation product display on the homepage and suggestion list. So it make it more easier for user to search and browse it. So AI able to help Shopee to know more about which product they need to promote more. So now I'm going to explain about demand forecasting and inventory management decision. So AI tools help Shopee by enhance their accuracy, real-time inventory level, and also identify every sales data by seasonal trends, which AI able to read the search patterns and also cut activity so that they can predict what kind of product for the future demands. And it also able to guide inventory, warehousing, and marketing decision in real time. We can take Hari Raya as example. So during Hari Rayas, there's so many people or user will search their goods and stuff on Shopee. So by using AI, seller and operation able to identify what product they need to increase their stock. So and then for the marketing campaign, they can launch relatable promotion so that people know what kind of promotion that's going on during that season. And also it can encourage seller with the product demand. As a result, they able to increase the sales and profit without wastage and improve their customer satisfaction.
So basically, Shopee use of AI is not a collections of isolated technology project. It is a strategically aligned, integrated capability that drive competitive advantage, market differentiation, and long-term business transformation. Analyzed through Porter's 5 force framework from topic 6 that we learned before. Shopee AI strategy reshape the competitive dynamic in Southeast Asian e-commerce. So, what is the 5 Porters in Shopee context? At the first is threat of new entrants. It's basically reduced through data modes. And then second is bargaining power of supplier balance. So it's basically Shopee face increased supplier power from AI model providers, cloud AI infrastructure from AWS and Google Cloud, and from logistic partner. However, Shopee mitigate this by developing proprietary AI and capability through its internal AI research team. And by owning Shopee Express, reducing dependency on third-party logistic provider. So for the third, regaining power of buyers. So it's basically increase and strategically counter. And then we have trade of substitutes, managed through ecosystem expansion, and also competitive rivalry, intensify address through AI native operations. So basically, it's our Shopee 5 force in Shopee context. Alright, so for the next is digital transformation and AI native strategy. So basically, what is AI native strategy from Shopee? Shopee digital transformation can be categorized using the AI maturity spectrum from topics that we learned. So AI enable, AI enhance, and also AI native. So Shopee operation at the AI native level, its core product and process could not exist without AI at their center. So the recommendation engine is not a feature add to a search function. It is the primary interface through which user discover product. The fraud system is not a check on top of payment. It is integral to the payment flow. So what is the impact from the foes? Okay, first, new entrants. New entrants, the impact on Shopee is data modes reduce effective entry barrier. So what's the strategic to respond from Shopee? Which is the strategy is continue scaling data collections across ecosystem. So next is supplier power. The impact is dependency on cloud AI infrastructure, and the strategy is internal AI R&D on Shopee Express. Next is buyer power. AI impact on Shopee, price comparison tools empower buyers, and the strategy response is deep personalization creates switching costs, and also
So now I'm going to explain about the impact of AI on people and jobs roles in Shopee. So AI is not just give disadvantages to Shopee, but it give advantage to Shopee because they provide information quick and easy to understand for people to understand. So the first one is job transformation. So service agent will shift to a relationship with managers, demand search for data scientists, AI engineer, and also prompt engineer. So for the customer service, they will use AI chatbot for the first level support so that people or user will get the instant answer without waiting for the human reply. So while human will give emotional and problem solving skills so that the user understand more better instead of using AI chatbot. Next is data scientist and engineering is where they grow the category of professional which they can develop improvement on AI systems, for example like recommendation, fraud detection, and also dynamic pricing. So next is impact on seller where AI powered the analytic of advertising optimization and also inventory management tools. So for example, in Shopee, there's millions of SME sellers. So for them to understand their demand and also their inventory level, AI can help them to analyze all the stock and also give give recommendation on how they want to advertise their shop, and also uh, give information which is the best time to run a promotion so that people know their product more better, especially on the seasonal trends. So SME seller can understand more better with the AI tools help. Next is reskilling and skills gap. So this is where the AI make the internet upscaling is growing, but the adoption pace varies by markets is low. So they need to make a training program to upskill their skill by data literacy and understand the AI tool usage. And also, not all people in the same pace. They need to learn how to do the job security, to understand the pressure from the AI monitoring. Lastly is human AI collaboration model, where human and AI working together to achieve the result. So AI will usually handle the scale, speed, and pattern recognition, so that it will contribute the contextual judgment and also give the creative problem solving for the human. And while for human, they will study more about the context, so that it can reduce any kind of error and also maintain the quality in their organization.
Next is challenge, risk, and ethical issues. First is algorithm bias and fairness. One of the main challenges of AI in Shopee is algorithm bias. AI systems are trained using historical data which may contain existing bias. As a result, some sellers may receive lower visibility in search results or recommendations, creating fairness issues within the platform. Second is that data privacy and security. Shopee collects a large amount of user data, including purchase history, location, and payment information. While this data helps improve AI performance, it also creates privacy and security risks. Any data breach could expose sensitive information and affect millions of users. Third is platform manipulation and fake reviews. Another challenge is the presence of fake reviews and manipulative seller ratings. Although Shopee uses AI to detect fraudulent activities, scammers continuously adapt their methods, making it difficult for AI system to identify all fake reviews accurately. Fourth is dependency and lock-in for small sellers. Many sellers rely heavily on Shopee's AI tools for pricing, advertising, and product visibility. However, changes in Shopee's algorithm may suddenly reduce a seller's visibility and sales, creating dependency on the platform. Fifth is legal accountability and AI regulation gap. AI decisions can sometimes cause harm, such as incorrectly suspending a legitimate seller's account. In such a situation, it is often unclear who should be held responsible. This highlights the need for clearer AI regulations and legal framework. Lastly is social impact. AI-driven performance monitoring can increase pressure on delivery riders and gig workers. Performance targets, route optimization, and automated evaluation may improve efficiently, but they can also create stress and affect workers' well-being.
Based on everything we've covered, the AI application, their impact, and the risks involved, we process 6 practical recommendations for Shopee to grow its AI capability more responsibly. First, systematic bias auditing. Shopee should set up a dedicated AI ethics and fairness team to regularly audit its search, recommendation, and seller performance algorithm for bias. Second, a transparent appeals process. Seller penalized by automated AI decision deserve a clear human-reviewed path to challenge that decision. Third, stronger regional data governance. It's a standardized compliance framework across all its markets with clear data minimization and retention policies. Fourth, AI literacy programs. Multilingual training so sellers can be better use Shopee's AI tools, paired with continuous upskilling for employees whose roles are changing. Fifth, exploring generative AI for seller. support things like AI-generated product, photography, copywriting, and translation tools to make the platform even more better, more valuable for small sellers. And finally, ethical guidelines for gig worker. AI management including income guarantees and human oversight. So delivery partners are not left entirely at the mercy of automated performance scoring. Okay, finally for the last slide is conclusion. To bring everything together, what we've shown throughout this report is that Shopee is a generally strong example of what AI adoption looks like when it's done a company-wide level, not just bolt onto a few features. From the personalized recommendation engine and multilingual NLP search to predictive logistics, real-time fraud detection, and the AI assist chatbot Shopee has moved past simply using AI. It's a company that probably could not function the way it does without AI running underneath everything. A few key takeaways. First, Shopee's AI strategy is strategically aligned, not scattered. Every investment ties back to the growing GMV, controlling costs and improving retention. Second, through the business process reengineering lens, we found Shopee's biggest efficiency wins came from rethinking processes around what AI makes possible, not just automating what already existed. But it's actually it's come from rethinking process around. So the third one is on the human side. AI has mostly reshaped jobs rather than eliminating them. New roles have emerged, and millions of small sellers now have access to tools that used to be out of reach for them. That said, the transition has not been fruitless. The skills gap, algorithm dependency unclear, accountability and pressure on gig workers are real costs that need owners' proactive attention. And we discussed in topic 7, the future is not really humans versus machines. It's human working with machines. Shopee has a real opportunity to show what their partnership looks like. Shopee use AI speed and scale alongside human judgment and care to build something that's not just commercially successful but genuinely good for the diverse communities it serves across Southeast Asia. So that brings us to the end of our presentation on Shopee's AI impact analysis. Before we close, we would like to thank you for your time and attention today. This project gave our group, me, Nur Alia Fatihah, Elina, Fifi Fahana, Ala Inshira and Daniel, a much deeper application of how AI is not just a technical tool but something that reshapes strategy, operations, jobs and ethics at all once. We hope our analysis gave you some useful insight into that as well. We would now like to open the floor for any question for discussion. Thank you very much.